This video is all about the Polygon Path 3 2021 edition. First, a quick time lapse of me assembling this bike. Now that the bike is assembled, let's do a bike spec. This full rigid bike has a 60/61 alloy frame. The 700/40C tires are mounted on double wall alloy rims. The entire wheel set is from Entity. The brakes and the gear shifters are mounted on separate units. This handlebar is a 700mm alloy handlebar mounted on a 35mm stem. The internal routing of cables ensures the bike has nice clean lines. The 27-speed drivetrain has a Shimano Alivio rear derailleur, and a Shimano Altis front derailleur. This bike uses Shimano Altis gear shifters. Braking is provided by dual 160mm hydraulic disc brakes. These disc brakes are Shimano MT201s. The hand grips and the seat, both from Entity, ensure rider comfort. Quick release levers are available on both the wheels and the seat post. Standard fitments include a plastic pedal, 2 accessory mounting points, and a stand. This full rigid alloy framed bike weighs in at about 12 kgs with a price of 44,990. This is the Polygon Path 3 2021 edition. I'm going to be taking this bike on a nice long ride to see how it is and how it behaves in different conditions. Before we go on to the review of the Path 3, let's do a comparison with the Path 2. While the components are upgraded, the Path 2 and the Path 3 share the same frame. This is an earlier edition, I think it's a 2019 edition, whereas this is a 2021. So let's see the differences. The basic frame structure is the same. The down tube is triangular, the seat post is circular, and the top tube is oval. But the frame sizes have changed. Both being the same small size, this is a difference in the size. The top tube is shorter by almost 1.5 inches, while the down tube is shorter by an inch. So that was a quick comparison between an earlier edition and the new edition. Now let's do a review. And now for the review. As you just saw, I took a nice ride in it and the gears are quite good. The range is quite wide and it allows you to be comfortable even going uphill or downhill. Also, the shifting is quite crisp, so you will not lose out on momentum when you're shifting. And now coming to the tires. These tires offer good grip on good roads and on bad roads. And being wide enough, they can handle a fair amount of potholes which are prevalent in most of our urban cities streets. When it comes to stopping power, these Shimano brakes are very good. I use them quite a bit when I was riding through traffic and they did keep me safe. So if you guys are looking for a hybrid which is primarily for city use and also for long distance riding, the Polygon Path 3 is an amazing bike. Now I am going to be having this bike for a couple of weeks, so I will be taking it for a long ride, probably about 50-60 kilometers, and I will also share a review on that soon. Until next time, safe ride everyone.